agaliwo America etabuse General Museveni takyakirizibwa kulinnya nnyonyi kugenda mu ggwanga lya America olw'ebikolwa by'enfaafa byakoze ku bannayuganda byakoze ku Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine byakoze ebitamusobozesa kuddamu kugenda kwetaba nansi ezirimu demokrasiya ow'ekimmemmette nga ye mutemu ye mukuusa ye mulimba ye buli kikolwa kyonna eky'oku nsi kiri ku General Kaguta Museveni andoza tutambulirewo ddala nga lumu tutandike ensonga zino zifuna.
The new Uganda. Kuriambala. Masa. Dia mengana. Dia baca. Wala ko ida.
So what we see.
Itu sobat dia.
Yeah, we have to add pages.
Aja wan. You flipping ke mana? You flipping. You flipping. You put.
Free all political prisoners. Free all political prisoners. Free all political prisoners. Free all political prisoners. Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a dictator. Stop funding Museveni's government. Stop funding Museveni's government. Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a killer. These ministers are thieves. They are corrupt. Free all political prisoners.
Why are you using megaphone? Why aren't you using megaphone?
Somebody must
They
go.
didn't give us, they didn't get the sound. After then, I thought we won the episode about Mukwala.
Leave Uganda on the
He
street.
came and asked us for it. He didn't even ask for it. He
Leave
saw us
Kabakabu to be
with
free.
the micros, and then he said he came up directly. He came for us direct because Baliba was still talking, and the guy had a mic. Whether they had it or not, we didn't have the permit because no one knew of the one that got the permit. So when we asked him, "Oh, you don't have the permit yet," the organizers coming. That time go up, we started yelling and cursing. And got them out already on this side. I thought, you better go ahead with that nonsense. Son, come back to New York. It's okay. I'm like, no. That's because you know New York and they cuss on the hard work. They won't flick up me and but nothing. So he stood there and they walking. And then he just keeps saying, he's cursing like going off about this. So,
Not necessary.
What's the really? We told you we don't have the permit.
It's not big
And
deal.
he said, no, I'm the one that issued the issue. So I asked him, there's a lot of nations that will come here and protest. You issue each and every one of them. Not long after that, because it was white. Dr. Goldman said, if it was white people, would you be harassing them the way you're harassing us? As soon as he said that, they sent other minorities like Ariel Spanish in the back. She's my favorite person now. He died. No, he's not there. I don't know why he did that, but don't worry about it. It's okay. I thought, no, it's not okay. I ain't got his dad just screaming and yelling and cursing. And I'm fine. Where's the donut shop? It looked like you haven't had some coffee donut for the longest time. Let me go take that. And then he came back. So then he looked at me and said, you need to go behind the other side. I said, no, that's not the rule. The rule is as long as I'm standing on the fence. Matter of fact, other people are standing over there. I own the office side, my white Spanish guy there with the hat. Because now, you better go ahead with that. I'm giving him my. They will look and see. You say one more word directly to me, it's not going to be a good look. The other officer knows, so you can't buy it like that. Son, it's okay. Don't worry about it. What he's saying is, I said, it's not what you're saying. The problem is how he's bringing it. He's bringing a different approach. He's all cursing and so. There was other officers here before he got here. I think he's dressed in casual. He's got a regular clothes now. So there's no badge, nothing. So it wouldn't make difference who you are.
You can identify yourself.
There on the corner. So it's not like you're walking just on the corner there, just on us. You leave it to Mama Selena. Mama Selena said, you did nothing. Uganda's bleeding. He just said that. I think that kept annoying him too. So he said, you can't use. I said, so I told him, when my whole crew get here, we're not going to do those mighty fine, but we're going to scream so loud. You'd be mad that you even thought about getting the mic. So they don't come out. New York police come this way. Let him. I said, no, it's okay. He made the side. He thought he just going to come and get one off. Yeah. But all I know is after I think they called in or the commercial someone, we went back there. His boss came. I haven't started now find out everything roughing. You don't do that. You know, they don't have a petition. Even if they don't have it, you don't talk to them like that. You know, in Uganda, I don't know. In Uganda, I've seen where officers they call people by the pants. They don't put them in, but they hold them in the pants. They pull it in, even the pants be falling off. If he could, that's what it is, a jack. If he could give him a jack, he would have given him a jack. The way he was taking them, they're walking and saying, I think they're going that direction. About in the Makalipo, I think it was 10 minutes earlier. He came back this time. He has a bigger one. A big guy that's following. I was always I'm trying to across there. He didn't even look different. I think I'm here the whole time. So don't believe I found the Christopher. You know it's not his name. So insult you could just call me someone else. You know. In Uganda is I found it. So I said I found the Christopher. People power. They're going bananas.
I techikola makulu waidamba ntongo zira identification.
I think in America, you know Uganda maybe it works. I hear he didn't have nothing. I want to pick up with just a white t-shirt. Slow slave. And that's what he was doing. I is like I think I cover me for Uganda. That's what he said. So when he said I did not issue it, I said, you know all of us? I said, but by the way, this is my city, so there's nothing you're saying that's different here. So you better take that note somewhere else. I go, you need to go in the back. I said, no, you need to excuse yourself. You need to go ahead. Yeah, other officers come, you don't need to be on the scene. But it was so bad. The guy had the doctor come like, please, man, come this side. I said, it's okay. And I went back, I said, I know that's why you didn't come, but still, I was making sure if you can diffuse. I said, diffuse was already diffused, just your boy was being funny. But then when I said, what's wrong with you? I ain't gonna call him Christopher, I find the Christopher. I said, it's acting like Uganda police, so I might as well give him a title of it. He said, well, how you know his name? I said, it's not his name. But it's weird if you stand there keep calling someone else's name and it's not mine. And when I say I find it, they don't know. But when you put Christopher looking in this direction, like, who is calling him that? Oh, no, it's cool.
Joko Buchi Obusa. Those bags. No, did I? These ones. How come? That's the number. That's how I go. This ain't a bother. First time I see him. Okudi adinga njao na kona moja 3 bags. Those ones. I always stop there on mine. I think there is a different way to do it on
it's
the
so
Samsung.
voting something. That's the first time I've seen that.
I think on the Samsung it shows. That's 101.
We want freedom.
After your post.
We want freedom. We want freedom. We want justice. We want peace. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Wake up, world leaders. Wake up, world leaders.
That's not fake.
Wake up, world leaders.
Now, walk over, that's what it is. Just that this voting thing is what.
People power. People power.
Abasajja nga sibawulira amaloboozi mubadde ki? Kabuye. Our power. Yenna bbanja nga ntunuulidde. Fire. Fire.
Anita must resign.
Seven must go.
Kosi must go.
Kosi must go.
Yeah, basebo ne banyabo tuli ku United Nations headquarters. As you see right there, Adonia yebara atula ona wairiza bana Uganda. Tuzo okwemulugunya ku governance eri munsi ya Uganda. So out of bana Uganda emitwalo ngasatu abali mu America. Lero no bano betulina no basazeewo okujja kukozeeyo kununula Uganda. I know many Ugandans are living a good life here in America, but the final destination is home. So the few who spare their time, the few who take off their job, the few who come out to speak up are really appreciated and not taken for granted. So tuli wano, tuli ko kino, and inshallah okulembeze bujja kukyuka. President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu abere mu ntebe bannayuganda gye bamulonderamu.
Stop funding dictators! Stop funding dictators! Uganda is bleeding!
Kawaine.
Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! US is funding! US is funding! Uganda is bleeding!
Paul Loches. Paul naku delete.
People power! Our power! People power!
Our power.
People power!
Our power.
Museveni must go!
Now.
Museveni must go! Museveni must go! Museveni must go! Museveni must go! Stop funding the dictator! Stop
Nako
funding the dictator! Stop funding the dictator! Wake up, Biden! Wake up, Biden!
Hey, boss man.
Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! US is funding! US is funding! Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! World Bank is funding!
They don't allow us to be back here.
IMF is funding!
No, we come to stand against when I'm sorry. We're supposed to be high ambassador. So they say for the national. I will not
US is funding! US is funding! Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding!
US is funding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Our power. Our power. Museveni must go. Anita must die. Utafire must go. Salim Saleh must go. Muhoz must go. Wake up, Biden. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Wake up, Blinken. Our power. Our power.
Wake up, Biden.
Biden. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Wake up, Biden. Our power. Our power. Walingege mazo kududa. Atayimba oba omulaba. Atayimba oba omulaba. Alinye maze okududa.
We are from Uganda. US is funding. There is a dictator for 40 years. People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Jaja Joe.
Uganda is bleeding. US is funding.
US is funding.
Stop funding genocide in Uganda.
Stop funding genocide in Uganda.
World Bank, stop funding the dictator.
World Bank, stop funding the dictator.
You don't support Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding. US is funding. Wake up, Biden. US is funding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Go to your email. Send them an email, okay? Yes, please. Foreign policy. Uganda is bleeding.
Blinken is sleeping.
US is funding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. US is funding. Wake up. Wake up, Biden. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, Blinken. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, Blinken. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding.
US is funding. People power. Our power. People power. Everywhere. NUP.
Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, Ugandans. Wake up, United States. Wake up, Blinken. Everyone, wake up. Wake up, Ugandans.
Wake up, Uganda.
Uganda is bleeding. And wake up, Africans. Uganda is bleeding.
Scroll down.
Africa is bleeding.
Hey, catch yourself before. Catch yourself. Tilt in the hook. Go carry
More volume.
So what about?
Anita Mongo movie. You must resign.
Oyo ojita mu landscape. Oyo ojita mu landscape. Etola ekifana ninga kiri. Ojita about mu landscape. Etola ekifana.
Stop being hypocrites.
Anjita ante mu landscape. After that,
Ndo taire mu auto rotation yacho kayema.
so you told him. Then he does it himself.
I think tapping on it is putting auto rotation on.
So like now, you told him, I will do enjoy it. Do it before I go like that.
Bobi Wine is our president. He's our symbol.
Not there yet.
He's our power. He's our
Come on, I'm not seeing man.
The good memory of that. Hey, I'm still going live.
He's our party.
I'm Oh, she be able to do it. So she do why does he do it?
Tapping up kukuwareka. Tapping up auto rotation.
But you can't tap it.
I think I'll carry on. Tilting up, tilting up.
Then you call lights.
I think Chiboneka is that specific.
We need to free Uganda! Free Uganda! All those that are here in the US, free all Ugandans! Free Uganda! Free Uganda! Free Uganda! Free Uganda! Free all our political prisoners! Free all our political prisoners! The people in prison are innocent! The people in prison are innocent! Free Uganda! Free Uganda! Record, please share. Free all Uganda! Free Uganda! America is Uganda! Yes! US is fighting!
Taire ku like 5, taire ku Jebin, taire ku Segirinya, taire ku Diriko like 5.
Nina like 200.
What's that?
Arrest Museveni! Arrest Museveni! Arrest Muhoz! Arrest Muhoz! Nabanja! Arrest! Nabanja! We have no police in Uganda. Our power! Nabanja, you have no power! Uganda is corrupt! And you said that by Museveni! Even if the kids they are born, they are corrupt. We are tired. No human rights in Uganda. Yes. People are violating human rights in Uganda. Your voices and the voice is funding. Stop being hypocrites. Ladies are being raped. Men are Wake up, world leaders. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, Blinken. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, world leaders. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, Blinken. Uganda is bleeding. Wake up, Blinken. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, Biden. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, Blinken. Uganda is funding. US is funding. Uganda. Yes, we are from Uganda. We are here on your UN Assembly to demonstrate against the dictatorship regime in Uganda. We are from all over the United States, Washington, D.C., Boston, California, name it. The reason why we're here, our country, we believe, is a failed state. Violation of human rights, violation of everybody's rights, corruption, and killing our people. You know, we believe it's genocide. So all of these people here, they are from Uganda and friends of Uganda. We are here on UN. Today is 20th September 2024, and we will be here. We are sending a message to US to stop funding the dictator in Uganda, to stop being hypocrites. All right? That's why we are here. And we go like this. Wake up, Blinken! Wake up, Blinken! Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! US is funding! US is funding! Wake up, Biden! Wake up, Biden! Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! US is funding! US is funding! Wake up, Blinken! Yes, yes. Our power! Our power! Our power! Our power! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! Yeah, okay.
And that is why they had to tear gas it. We thank God for saving his life. I'm a Kenyan, I'm not a Ugandan, but I'm a mother. I cry for the children of Uganda. I cry for the people of Uganda. We are neighbors. And the worst thing is, the US is funding the children. We the mothers, we are crying. We want justice in Uganda. We want justice for our people. Free all the political prisoners. Museveni, you are a chunda, you are a killer. Plus your son. Again, the Speaker of Parliament of Uganda, they are doing injustice for the Ugandans. Please, we are asking the world to see this injustice of Uganda. This is the Speaker. They are thieves. They are doing corruption. We are here because our families and our children are being killed. Thank you for coming and raise this voice. We want everybody to see injustice that is done in Uganda. 38 years for Museveni being a president. In Uganda, November, we are going for another election. 4 years. Why Uganda 38 years? And Americans are telling us we are democracy. There is no democracy in Africa, and especially Uganda. If you can have election in America, you want to have election in Africa, free and fair. That is what we ask. Thank you for coming and send this nation. Thank you. As a neighbor of Uganda. Yes, thank you. We have ruled Uganda for 40 years.
No public service. We are here to let the world know. That's what we need to let the man know. Let them know. He's not a Uganda, and he's just like Uganda. This is his prime minister who came to promote love. People power, people power, our power, people power to the entire world. Uganda has never been free since 1984. To the entire world, we've never had free and fair elections. We are calling upon United Nations to take care of this. Uganda needs free and fair elections. We've never had free and fair elections in Uganda. In 2021, the elections were won by His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi. People power!
Bobi wine!
People power! Bobi wine! Bobi wine! In 2021, Bobi wine won by 54%.
Yes, sir.
And extra points. And Museveni lost the elections. But Museveni has been a dictator for a while. We are calling upon the entire world to stand with us. We are calling upon the whole world to come into our cause. We are calling for peace. So many innocent Ugandans, they are in prison for no reason. So we are calling upon all the people in the world to stand with us. Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is
funding the dictator. It's time to engage with the dictator Museveni. We are dying. We are innocent. We need to make sure the taxpayers' money that is being used to torture Ugandans is put to stop. People power, our power, NUP, and everywhere. We want freedom in Uganda.
Now!
We want freedom.
Now!
When we want it,
Now!
we want justice. When we want it,
Now!
we want freedom.
We want freedom!
Free all political prisoners.
Now!
When
Now!
we need freedom.
We need freedom!
We are crying for freedom. We are crying for freedom. We are crying for peace. We are crying for peace. We want freedom. We want freedom. We want justice. We want justice. We want freedom. We want freedom. Biden, wake up. Biden, wake up. Wake up, Biden. Wake up, Biden. Wake up, Blinken. Wake up, Blinken. Wake up, United States. Wake up, Ugandans. And to all the Ugandans that are out there,
Yes, sir! No, no, no!
free and fair elections.
Yes, sir!
We want free and fair elections.
Preach!
We want people freed in Uganda.
Yeah, man!
We want people free.
Yeah!
We are tired of the human rights violations.
Museveni!
We are tired.
Yeah!
Ugandans,
Now!
free all Ugandans.
Now!
Free innocent Ugandans.
Now!
Free our women. Free our babies. Stop corruption. Stop corruption. Yes. They're trying to take away our rights of voting. Seven the dictator. Seven is the killer. Seven is the killer. They are trying to take away our rights of voting. Yes.
People power. Talking about living right there. Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding. US is
killing
us.
us.
Please pass the message. You
Uganda is killing free Ugandans.
Please. Yeah, it's about
Please.
humanity.
Oh my
God. Please.
Hey, hey,
Hey, hey.
hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
7 is
See.
7 is C.
7 is the number of
What's up to all the parliamentary people?
They want to take away our rights
of voting. 7 is a party.
Yeah.
Power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
And Africans are looking. Africans are looking.
Watch out.
People power. People power. Our power.
People power.
Banange.
We are from Uganda. Pass the message.
Say what message is. We say all Ugandans are bleeding.
Ugandans are bleeding.
And Museveni is
Tetwagala
killing.
kutulondera president mu parliament.
Era bannayuganda we bayisiza ekiteeka mu bapulezidenti balonda mu palamenti fenna twololwe nnyonnyonnyonyi ate mumpe passport yange ndi munnayuganda. I have a right to get a passport. People power. Our power.
People power.
Our, yeah.
Our
Do it,
power.
yeah. Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power. Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, Blinken.
Wake up, Blinken.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Biden.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Biden!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is fine to come on.
Wake up, Kamara!
Come on. Wake up, Biden!
Wake up, Blinken!
Uganda is bleeding!
Wake up, Kamara!
Wake up, Biden!
Wake up, Kamara!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
Uganda is bleeding!
Coordination.
Stop funding the dictator in Uganda!
Earlier, before you guys got here,
They want to take away our rights
we're not allowed to do this
to vote. They want to take away our rights
fight
of
them.
manhood.
And the guy that's our fourth left
You go to prison.
Hati next time
who allow you
tuenda tuata homshai. Tuenda tuata homshai.
I need to get the pictures.
Yes.
It's okay, I
We
allow
have
you.
to
Just make
fight for our country, for our rights. We call upon Ugandans and friends of Uganda.
Yes,
to
sir.
join us on our fight. It may take days, it may take years, we will not stop.
almost ready. That's over.
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power.
Bobby! Jagulani! Bobby! Jagulani! Jagulani!
Send a message here from Uganda. Museveni is a rapist. Bobby. We are from Uganda. Bobby, yeah, send a message. Twitter, TikTok. The president in Uganda is a rapist. Yes. He left our country. Yes. So you know what we're talking about. Please send a message. Take a picture. Take a picture of us. Take a picture of us and put on your Instagram. Yeah, take a picture and you put on your Twitter. Any social media of yours. Because we have been please. We are saying that
I'm recording.
Yes, please take us.
These
Put
people
on your
are missing.
Twitter. Please.
Killed
You
all of
guys
them.
are the one to help us. He's a rapist.
Bobby Wine?
Yes,
Yeah, he's
please.
the left He's the one that they shot. The last one they did.
Museveni is a dictator.
Nempuga wali.
Museveni is a dictator.
Nempuga.
Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a murderer.
Killer.
Uganda is dying. US is marching. US is funding. Free all Ugandans. Free Uganda. Free Uganda. Free Uganda. Free political prisoners. Free all Ugandans. Free all Uganda. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. US is funding. Everyone is funding. That's the problem. Uganda is bleeding.
She's not here. Prime Minister. She's here. But they're not allowed to just allow into the country, basically. Yeah. Freedom. Yeah.
We're calling for freedom in Uganda.
Yeah. Go there now. But even now,
Yes. Free and fair elections in Uganda are needed. Since 2021,
I've been following it.
Ugandans innocently are held in custody. We want free and fair elections in Uganda.
You're right on that.
Our political prisoners. Innocent Ugandans in prison. Being opposition is not a crime.
Okay, yeah.
We want innocent Ugandans.
Okay.
We want our freedom in Uganda. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
Wake up, world leader. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is working. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is fighting. Uganda is bleeding.
To senators, send a message to senators, to congressmen, to Blinken. Sagulanyi. Atawagira oba omulaba. Bobi.
Wake up, one leader. Uganda is bleeding.
Americans, you guys know what we are talking about.
People power. People power. Our power. People power. Our power. Now, this is the last message to Museveni. Museveni, if you say we cheated in 2021 elections, yes. Please, as the president said, sign your immunity. Yes. So that we can have the entire UN nation.
He's a coward.
Independent audit. We challenge you to go to court. We challenge Museveni to go to court. We challenge you to bring your evidence. We have our evidence. Museveni won the election. People power won the election. Museveni is sick. Museveni is sick. Museveni was sick. Museveni is sick. Museveni is sick.
Please, thank you.
Museveni is an election thief. Mama, you're taking away our
People
rights.
power, people power, mom, people power, people power.
Kati danti baba gamba. You eat the cat, you eat the pet.
People power. People power. We want free and fair elections in Uganda.
They're eating the dog. Eating the dog.
People power.
Haiti.
People power.
Our power.
We want free and fair elections in Uganda. Free and fair elections in Uganda.
What did you see in
Free and fair elections in Uganda. We call for human rights investigation.
Aina kazi ka propagandistike katamba nako. Kaigano kyamba mu Kamala Harris wagenda mu White House. Yatandika omunyenyinza alwa muyimbi. Baina hizo ningi za P1.
She's the most corrupt lady in the whole world.
Yali amabati.
Anita Mongo, she's a thief. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
All the parliamentarians.
We're here to show our dissatisfaction with the stand United States taking over the dictatorship in Uganda. We show that there's
Atawagira oba omulaba. Atawagira oba omulaba.
finding the man. He's killing our people.
Doing my cancer, they ripped his whole leg.
Omutema oba omulaba.
Speaking still nursing those wounds.
We ask for help.
Again, thanks for joining.
Ate mulaba ndo oba omulaba.
People power. Our power. People power. Our power. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
The world is watching.
The world is watching. Uganda is bleeding. Africa is watching. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
America is watching.
America is funding.
Uganda is bleeding.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
Power.
Free all political prisoners. Free all political prisoners. Uganda is bleeding. Somebody is killing Uganda. Somebody is killing Uganda. We need Uganda free. We need Uganda.
Now.
We need fair elections in Uganda. Free Uganda. We are calling for a Congress hearing. We are calling for Congress hearing. US needs to know we are being depressed in our own country. We are here for a reason. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Doctor, come over here, doctor. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. US is funding. Yes, US is funding. We need our world to hear us. We need our world to hear us. Uganda needs to be free. People power. People power. Our power. People power. Everywhere.
President abadde kyate. President abadde kyate. Nga yekyanga kyanga.
Uganda is bleeding. Ugandans are watching. US is funding. Free all Ugandans. Free all political prisoners. Free all political prisoners.
Now stop bringing the bill in the parliament that we should elect presidents in the parliament, taking out our rights to vote. You are pressing the wrong button. I'll get a visa and I'll come to Uganda. No problem. Yes, now we know your family in the United States and the UK. You go there and we demonstrate. We are rights to vote. Okay? Mau ne Museveni ebyo Museveni byakuganga wilubari bivuge ba DP. Mau must go. Mau must go. Mau must go. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. US is funding. More sanctions on Ugandan officials. Sanctions now. Sanctions now on Museveni. We need sanctions on Museveni, the dictator in Uganda. Ma'am, please send the message. Our power.
UN is funding.
US is funding.
UN is watching.
UN is watching.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
UN is watching.
UN is watching.
Ugandans are dying.
Ugandans are dying.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Free Uganda.
Free Uganda.
Free all political prisoners.
Free all political prisoners.
Free all of us.
Free Uganda.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Blinken.
Wake up, Blinken.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, Kamara Harris.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, Blinken.
Let me send you a message, please.
United, wake up.
I know you sit up there.
Wake up, America.
Museveni must go!
Museveni must go!
Museveni must go!
Museveni must go!
Muhoozi must go!
Muhoozi must go!
Anita must go!
Anita must retire!
Museveni must go!
Museveni must go!
Muhoozi must leave!
Muhoozi must leave!
We need our people!
We need our people from prison! Bring back our political prisoners! Muhoozi must go to the rehab!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
Bobi!
Bobi!
Ekyagulani! Bana, mwagala nga batayina maanyi!
Bobi!
Atawagira oba omulaba.
Kyagulanyi! Kyagulanyi!
Bobi! Kyagulanyi!
Kyagulanyi! Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
US is funding!
Wake up, Biden!
Wake up, Biden!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
US is funding!
Wake up, Blinken!
Wake up, Blinken!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
US is funding!
Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders!
Uganda is bleeding!
Bano be Ethiopia mbagambe babo.
US is funding!
US is funding!
Wake up, Joe Biden!
Wake up, Joe Biden!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
US is funding!
Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
US is funding!
People power!
Our power!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
People power!
Our power!
Museveni must go!
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 People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
US is funding!
Wake up, Blinken!
Wake up, Blinken!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
US is funding!
Stop funding the dictator!
Stop funding the dictator!
Stop being hypocrites!
Stop being hypocrites!
Stop being hypocrites!
Stop being hypocrites!
Wake up, world leaders! Wake up, world leaders! Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding!
US is funding!
Wake up, Joe Biden!
Wake up, Joe Biden!
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding! up, blink up! Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
People power! People power! Power, power! Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, Joe Biden!
Wake up, Joe Biden.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, Blinken! Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US were funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, World Bank!
Wake up, World Bank.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
World Bank is funding.
World Bank is funding.
Wake up, world leaders!
World leaders.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Wake up, Joe Biden!
Wake up, Joe Biden.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, Blinken! Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, IMF! Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, world leaders! Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, world leaders! Uganda is bleeding. IMF is funding. World Bank is funding. Wake up, Joe Biden! Uganda is
Our power. People power. Everywhere.
The mighty move. And if they can't hear us, we yell a little louder. We yell a little louder. We are Noob.
Director.
We are Noob.
Karim.
The mighty Noob. The mighty Noob. And we want freedom. We want freedom. We want justice. We want justice. We want democracy. We want democracy. US is fighting. US is fighting. Uganda is dying. US is funding. Ugandans are dying. We are going to the Uganda house. We're going to be led by this gentleman. Yes.
Let's get organized, get in line. Let's keep it an orderly manner. Go all the way down. Make sure we get all the signs. Let's make like a peaceful line.
Anya tujao wano. Akolera bedi. Oh no. Eh? So ampuga ya mwaka ebitano. Tuba tujja akasuka zi sauti.
Ghana house that President Amin built, not Dictator himself. As long as he's been in power for the last 40 years, he has not built a Ghana house anywhere, nationally or even in Uganda. We're going to the Uganda house where the one that President built.
You speak that gentleman. Why Mukobere? Mukobere.
We are heading to the Ugandan house.
That is Ugandan house. That is our house. It's not Museveni house. It is the power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
And everywhere.
NUP.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power. Let's go. Let's go to the Uganda house and we send a message. We need to tell the dictator that is our house, not his house and his family. Museveni, we're going to put him in jail one day.
One day everything is going to be all right.
Amen. Organize yourself. Let's get in a single file.
We can just stay over to the side so we get everyone ready. Okay. Yeah, because we're not blocking the street.
Atawagira oba omulaba. People power everywhere. NUP. Jango we vibe, Jango get a vibe, better vibe. Get a vibe.
We shall wear the victor's crown.
In the new Uganda. Ne flag ya Uganda nga sinagira. Simanyi nayo bagitunze. Omuti bagutunze. Our power. People power. Our power.
People power. Wake up, US! Wake up, Ugandans! Wake up, Biden! Wake up, Kamala! Wake up, world leaders! Ugandans are dying! US is falling! Wake up,
তাদের দাবি উগান্ডার যে পলিটিক্যাল প্রিজনগুলো রয়েছে তাদেরকে মুক্তি দেওয়া এবং পাশাপাশি উগান্ডার জনগণের অধিকার, জনগণের ক্ষমতায়নের জন্য তারা এই নির্মাণ করছে। ঠিক উগান্ডার মতো বিশ্বের বিভিন্ন জায়গায় যে অশান্তি তৈরি হয়েছে এবং যারা মানুষের উপর অত্যাচার নিপীড়ন করছে সেসব জায়গা থেকে প্রতিনিয়ত মুভমেন্টে অংশ নেয় বিভিন্ন দেশের মানুষ। জাতিসংঘ সদর দপ্তরের সামনে এই অধিবেশন চলাকালীন সময়ে প্রতিদিনই এরকম অসংখ্য মুভমেন্টের আমরা দেখতে পাই। যারা জাতিসংঘ বিশ্বনেতারা আসেন তাদের কাছে মূলত তারা এই আহ্বানটি জানান বন্ধ হয় এবং সাধারণ মানুষের অধিকার প্রতিষ্ঠা হয়। আমরা উগান্ডাকে রয়েছেন আমরা দেখছি যে
Wake up, Joe Biden!
Uganda House yao United Nations one. Amini we yajja wano bamusuza wala. Then he decided to buy this building for Uganda asule kumpi akera atambulenga butambuza jjao.
Ugandans are dying! US is funding! US is funding! Wake up, Joe Biden! Ugandans are dying! US is funding! US is funding! People power! People power! Power, power!
Team leader, Marvin. Mpaka simu hiyo. Nita kan recording hiyo short.
People power!
our power,
People power!
our power,
Our power!
people power,
People power!
our power,
Our power!
people power,
NUP!
everywhere,
Everywhere!
NUP,
We want justice!
we want justice,
We want peace!
we want peace,
We want justice!
we want justice,
We want peace!
we want peace.
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding,
Uganda is
expanding.
bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding! Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is sleeping!
Uganda is sleeping.
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding.
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding.
UN is funding!
US is funding.
What do we want?
Peace.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Peace.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Peace.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Peace.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Freedom.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Freedom.
When do we want it?
Now.
Where is Biden?
Where is Biden?
What democracy?
Where is democracy?
Where is Kamala?
Where is Kamala?
Our brothers are bleeding.
Brothers are bleeding.
Where is UN?
Where is UN?
Killing our people.
Killing our people.
Where is UN?
Where is UN?
They're abducting our sisters.
They are abducting our sisters.
Where is the Security Council?
Where's the Security Council?
They're killing our people.
They are killing our people.
Where is the Security Council?
Where's the Security Council?
They're abducting our sisters.
They are abducting our sisters.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
Kunga diaspora kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga diaspora kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Boston kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga DMV kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga district kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga democracy kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga kunga kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga our people kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga chakula ni kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga president kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga nyanzi kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga sanyo ni kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Joe kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga diaspora kunga.
Kunga.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power. Our power.
Our power.
People power. Everywhere. People power. People power. People power.
Chagulanyi. Okay, tukupe makadoni. People. Bobby.
No justice.
Our power. Everywhere. Kunga. Our power. People power. Everywhere. NUP. Yeah.
In America, they had Ronald Reagan as president.
Yeah.
In Uganda, we had Museveni.
Yeah.
Bill Clinton came in.
Yes.
We had Museveni.
Yes.
After Bill Clinton, we had Bush Senior.
Yes, Sebo.
Museveni.
Yeah.
After Bush Junior came in.
Yeah.
Museveni is still there.
Yes.
After Bush Junior, we had Barack Obama.
Yes.
Museveni is still there.
Yes.
After Barack Obama, we had Donald Trump.
Yes.
Museveni is still there.
Yes.
After Donald Trump, we had Biden.
Yes.
And Museveni is still there.
Yes.
Kamala Harris.
Yes.
And Museveni is still there.
Shame.
Shame on Dictator Museveni.
Shame.
Shame on Dictator Museveni.
Shame.
Fire!
Fire.
People power.
Our power.
We want freedom.
We want freedom.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
Free all Ugandans.
Free all Ugandans.
Free all Ugandans.
Our power. Our power.
Yes.
Don't I ever come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, Amin came to power in 71.
Yes.
In 73, he had bought this land
Yes.
and constructed this building.
Yes.
And even he went to Washington, D.C.
Yes.
He did the same.
Yes.
He bought the house in Washington, D.C. For 40 years. What has Dictator Museveni done for you?
Our power. People power. Everywhere. NUP. Our president. Our president. Our president. Our president. Our power. Our power. Our president. Our president. Everywhere. NUP. Wake up, world leaders. Wake up, Africa.
Wake up, Africa.
Wake up,
Biden.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, UN.
Wake up, UN.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
UN is funding.
UN is funding.
UN is watching.
UN is watching.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, Kamara.
On the next president.
Next president.
Wake up, Kamara.
Wake up, Kamara.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
UN is funding.
UN is funding.
And US is funding.
US is funding.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Bobi.
Bobby.
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 Jankulani.
Hey.
Bobby.
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 Hey.
Bobby.
Hey.
Bobby.
Bobby. Bobby. Bobby.
Jankulani.
Hey.
Bobby.
Hey.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Bring back our people.
Bring back our people.
Free all political prisoners.
Free all political prisoners.
Free all Ugandans.
Free all Ugandans.
We want free and fair elections.
We want free and fair elections.
We want a hearing.
We want a hearing.
UN is funding.
UN is funding.
And US is funding.
US is funding.
Free all Ugandans.
Free all Ugandans.
Free all Ugandans.
Free all Ugandans.
Uganda needs to be free.
Uganda needs to be free.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Hey.
Hey.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Kunga US Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga US Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Boston Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga New York Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga DC Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda Kunga.
Kunga. Kunga. Kunga. Kunga. Kunga. Kunga. Kunga. Kunga. Kunga. Our power. People power. Kunga. Everywhere. NUP. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Must go. Museveni must go. Muhoozi must go. Muhoozi must go. Anita must resign. Anita must resign. Museveni must go. Museveni must go.
We want our Uganda back. We want our Uganda back.
Muhoozi must go. Anita must resign. Anita must resign. Anita never come out. Adonia never come out. Adonia never come out. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
Museveni is a liar. Museveni is a liar.
US is funding. IMF is funding. Uganda is bleeding. Stop funding a dictator. Stop funding dictators. Stop funding Museveni. Honey? Nabanja aliwa na ye.
Uganda is bleeding.
Kati mena kitwala ncha nabanja banna.
Arrest Museveni now.
Arrest Museveni now.
A liar. A dictator.
Nabyeko winning akikutte.
Arrest Museveni now.
Winning adachina. Winning akikutte bati wadani. Bati mukweka.
Lwaki mukweka nabbanja bannange? Now. Freedom. Now. Peace. Now. Now. Justice. Now. Justice. Now. Now.
Peace.
Now. Justice. Now. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Uganda is bleeding. IMF is funding. Uganda is bleeding. World Bank is funding. Stop funding for us. Stop funding.
Stop funding a killer.
Free all the political prisoners.
Nachimwero, come out! Nachimwero, come out!
Nachimwero, come out!
I didn't Nabanja.
Nabanja, kweyo! Ebitweke, ebyengenge.
Ajatuwe Chibalama.
Ajatuwe Chibalama. Kwe.
Nabanja, we need Chibalama.
Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a killer. Muhoozi is a murderer. Muhoozi is a racist. Museveni is a murderer. Muhoozi is a rapist. Muhoozi is a murderer. Adonia Yeba, come out.
Our power. You represent our power. You representative of Uganda.
Because he was cheated in the election.
You representative of Uganda.
He voted himself. He said he was cheated. 17 Ugandans.
Yes.
Over 5 million people were killed.
Yes.
There were Ugandan people that were the Ugandan forces were murdering Uganda. But he was the one in the bush.
Yes.
In 2021, 7 cheated us. Shame on 7.
Shame.
Shame on 7.
Shame.
But he won by 2021, he won 54%.
Yes.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power is stronger than Museveni.
Yes.
So all the Ugandans, wake up. Wake up, Ugandans.
Wake up. Yes. Yes.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power. People power. Bobby. 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 No peace. No peace. Wake up, world leaders. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. Wake up, Joe Biden. Ugandans are dying. US is funding. Wake up, Joe Biden. Ugandans are dying. Our power.
People power. Our power. To the whole world.
Yes.
Museveni shot our only president. Museveni shot our president. Shame on Museveni. Bobi Wine is the only president of Uganda that was voted. The legitimate leader of Uganda. People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
We need to tell the whole world our message. We need fair and fair. People power. power.
Our power.
Uganda is our country. People power.
Power.
All Ugandans. We are calling upon all the chapters in the USA to resist the dictator. We are calling for all people in
Resist.
Uganda, all people in all regions to rise up.
Rise up.
People power.
Our power.
Our power. Okay, we're gonna hear from our diaspora leader. Him and only doctor. Thank you, Ugandans.
Our power. Our power. People power. Everywhere. Any open. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Museveni and his bandits. Museveni and his bandits.
Yes.
They told us that they went to the bush.
Yeah.
Fight for democracy.
Yeah.
Do we have democracy in Uganda today?
No.
Do we have democracy in Uganda today?
No.
In 1986,
Yes.
Museveni and his warriors,
Yes.
they went to the bush.
Yes.
They said they were fighting corruption.
Yes.
38 years later,
Yes.
have they fought corruption?
No.
Have they fought corruption?
No.
Have they fought corruption?
Shame.
In 1986,
Yes.
Museveni and his forces,
Yes.
they went to the bush.
Yes.
They said they were fighting for free and fair elections.
Right.
Do we have free and fair elections?
Yeah.
Do we have free and fair elections in Uganda?
No.
In 1986,
Yes.
Museveni and his military,
Yes.
they went to the bush
Yes.
and they said that they were going to repair the image of our country.
Yes.
Is the image of our country good today?
No.
Good roads? No. Do we have good roads?
No.
Do we have good hospitals?
No.
Do we have good health care?
No.
Do we have low poverty?
Yeah.
Do we have full employment?
No.
Do we have employment in Uganda today?
No.
Do we have peace?
No.
Do we have liberty?
No.
Do we have free and fair elections?
No.
That's why we're here today, fellow Ugandans.
Yes.
We're here today
Yes.
to send a loud and clear message
Yeah.
that enough is enough.
Yeah.
Enough is enough.
Yeah.
We're saying today that enough is enough. We are here to say that Museveni has to go.
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 We are here to send a clear message.
Yeah.
We don't want family rule.
Yeah.
We don't want family rule.
Yeah.
Muhoozi has to go.
Moses has to go.
Muhoozi has to go.
Moses has to go.
Muhoozi must go.
Moses must go.
We are here to send a clear message.
Yes. Yes.
We want all political prisoners free.
Yes.
We want all political prisoners free.
Yes.
Free all political prisoners.
Yes.
Political prisoners.
Political prisoners.
Free all political prisoners.
Political prisoners.
Free all political prisoners.
Free our people.
Free our people.
olaba ekizimbe ekintu
We are here to send a clear message.
Yes.
That the diaspora is strong.
Yes.
The diaspora is strong.
Yes.
And we shall not be intimidated.
Yes.
We shall not be intimidated.
Yes.
We are going to be back here.
Yes.
We'll be back the next day.
Yes.
And the next day.
Yes.
And the next day.
Yes.
And the next day.
Yes.
Until Uganda is free.
Yes.
We are going to fight for our country.
Yes.
Until Uganda is free.
Yes.
Fellow Ugandans.
Yes.
Fellow Ugandans.
Yes.
Let's stay strong.
Yes.
Let's keep fighting.
Yes.
Let's keep fighting for our country.
Yes.
Let's keep fighting for democracy.
Yes.
Let's stay united.
Yes.
Let's stay united.
Yes.
Until our president is in the White House.
Yes.
Until our president is in the State House.
Yes.
Until Chagulanyi is in the State House.
Yes.
Until Chagulanyi is in the State House.
Yes.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Kunga Boston Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga DMV Kunga.
Kunga.
New Jersey Kunga.
Kunga.
New York Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Delaware Kunga.
Kunga.
California Kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Minnesota Kunga.
Kunga.
Free all our people.
Free all the people.
Free Uganda.
Jonas.
Thank you, thank you.
People power. People power.
Ugandans are dying.
Uganda are dying.
US is funding.
US is funding.
Wake up, Joe Biden.
Wake up, Joe Biden.
Ugandans are dying.
Ugandans are dying.
IMF is funding.
IMF is funding.
Wake up, blink
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Kunga.
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 Kunga. Kunga. Kunga.
Olutalo.
Garuwedde. Tuliyambale ngule. Tuliyambale ngule. Tuliyambale ngule. Olutalo garuwedde. Tuliyambale ngule. Tulizimba mu Uganda empya. Tuliyambala. Engule zimasamasa. Olutalo garuwedde. Tuliyambale ngule. Tulizimba mu Uganda empya. Tuliyambala. Yambala.
Lambanja! Come outside, you speak to us! Lambanja!
Yagala.
Lambanja, oli mubbi wa baba.
That's about the extent of what I
You don't have to send my picture. He knows me already.
Kadoni ayebale uli agenda atufulumyeko nga afulumidde wali wuli nakirira wuli
Let's have a group photo. Adoni Alua.
wuli akiridde. Let's have a photo.
Tuyanziza baganda baffe abali mu America omulimu gwe mukoze okulanga mwongera okulabisa General Museveni ne government ye ebikolobero bibakola ensi yaffe bakola kwa Uganda kwa president yaffe bakola ku bantu abenjawulo abatabakkiriza era abannayuganda kubanga bali mu kubona abuna ensi yaffe eri mu kusaanawo enguzi buli kimu bakibbye bakyeddiza bannayuganda bali mu kukaaba bali mu kubona abona bonga beeyagala tulina bano kubatako kibuli tubana kubatako maanyi tulina kwongera kulwana buli olukedde tulina kwongera kukola bino ebinaayibongera okubamanyisa ensi nti nno bafere nti nno babbi nti nno bakuusa nti nno batemu gwe mulimu gwe tulina gwe tweyama era nga tulina okutereeza eggwanga yaffe oba tutya nze naawe buvunaanyizibwa bwaffe ate nga tujja kubikola kubanga wano we waffe tulina tetulinayo wakawalala Uganda yensi yange Uganda yensi yo nolwekyo olina okukola buli ekigwanidde ekijja mu maanyi go osobola tugisimbuliza okuva weeri tugizze ku ddaala eddala nga tulina omukulembeze afaayo eri abantu ayagala abantu alumirirwa so omukulembeze yeeyagaliza yeefaako yekka naye nga tafa ku bannayuganda mbaagala nnyo omukama Katonda asaba bankuumire tujja kuba tuddamu okugamba ebigambo bwana bakkiriza kitaffe banange mweraba